migrate to Earth from the outermost space, where the satellites and orbit are present in this universe.
My name is Gulman Pathak. I am discussing about the types of volcanoes. There are three types of volcanoes: active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, active volcanoes. That volcanoes that have erupted frequently. Dormant volcanoes that have not erupted so many times but may be erupting frequently. Active volcanoes that have not erupted thousands of years but may be unlikely erupt again. Not erupted. Moisture in the air conducts from a cloud. Cloud of build up with water in acid called air.